So what is up guys, this is your boy Marvin Murillo and we are back again. So for today's video guys is we're going to unbox this new iPhone 12 Pro Max. And before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video para mas masaya. So without further ado, let's get started. Ito nga pala yung iPhone 12 Pro Max guys no, na kakadating lang galing sa LBC no. Ito ako muna sa inyo kung saan ko to binili. Binili namin tong iPhone 12 Pro Max sa sa Breeze. Ilalagay ko na lang sa description yung nila, yung link para madali niyo siyang malocate. So itong iPhone 12 Pro Max na kinuha namin is mayroon siyang apat na variant na color, which is the silver, graphite, gold, and the Pacific blue. And ang piniling color namin is itong gold kasi mas angas yan tignan no. So buksan na natin itong iPhone 12 Pro Max kayo no. As you can see, naka-plastic pa siya. So ito na guys. Paano ba ito buksan? Ito? Ayun. So buksan na natin to. Ayan. Wow. Ito na yun guys. No? Kunin natin. So ayun guys. By the way guys, bumili na din kami ng USB power adapter kasi hindi pa siya nakasali sa sa iPhone 12 Pro Max. As you can see, cable lang nandito guys. Ayan. Then ito lang yung nasa box. Tapos merong manual. So yun lang guys, ang nasa box. So ibalik muna natin to. Buksan na natin tong iPhone 12 Pro Max. Para siyang guys, iPhone 5. Dito na guys. Woo! So ito yung cable guys. Then doon na din kami bumili sa sa kanilang kapatid ni Ate Charm. Itong adapter na to, tsaka siya, 20 watts power adapter guys. Guys, gaming case muna tayo guys. As you can see, wala akong iniba dito guys. Nakaset lang siya, ayun. Hindi ko na sa guys, sinit. Naka-automatic lang siya, so as you can see. So napaka-smooth na guys. Tignan nyo.
We can do it.
Yung guys, no, napaka-smooth niya guys. So, para sa akin ito yung pinakamalakas sa na phone na pang gaming guys, iOS.
Keep all your game as a loss, as a loss.
So, meron tayong ditong power button, ring and silent, up and down volumes, SIM card slot, built-in microphone, built-in stereo speaker, and the lightning connector. The iPhone 12 Pro Max has 6.7 inches Super Retina OLED display with 1284 by 2778 pixel resolution. So this one has 6GB of RAM and A14 Bionic chip. And itong phone na to is only 226 grams. May kabigatan lang siya ng onte pero di naman siya big deal. And by the way, ang iPhone 12 Pro Max both front and back is Gorilla Glass. So talagang solido at matibay itong pagkagawa. And lastly, this phone is scratch resistant, water and dust resistant. Wide lens is 1.6 aperture, ultra wide 2.4 aperture, telephoto 2.2 aperture. So same lang yung tatlong lens na mayroong 12 megapixel. Magkaiba lang yung aperture nila. So meron tayong ditong LiDAR scanner guys. Recording naman guys is meron tayong 4K and 1080p resolutions. So sa 4K guys meron tayong 24, 30 and 60 frame per second. So sa 1080p naman guys is meron tayong 30, 60, 120 and lastly 240 frame per second. Yung selfie camera natin is meron siyang 12 megapixel na 2.2 aperture. So ngayon let's talk about iPhone 12 Pro Max battery. So this phone is only have 3687 mAh. So matagal na din tong malobat compared to other iPhone models. And my 24-hour experience is you will only charge once a day if you just open social medias.
So yan guys, andito na kami sa lupa, which is bakanting lote. Magpuputoshoot tayo using this iPhone 12 Pro Max and i-compare natin dito sa DSLR natin, which is the Canon 650D using the prime lens, which is my 50mm. Uy! So yun po guys, hanggang dito na lang. Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, comment, and subscribe, and i-turn on yung notification bell para ma-notify kayo if ever na meron akong bagong i-upload. And siguro sa next vlog natin guys is magta-travel vlog tayo next year. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video natin yun. Babush! Woo! Hey!